In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically organize people into age groups in Google Sheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure you have columns for name, birth date, age, and age group. Click on the cell where you want the age to appear. Now type the formula to calculate age using the birth date. This formula compares the birth date with today's date and returns the number of years. Press enter and you'll instantly see the person's age. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of your list. Now let's assign age groups. Click on the next column where you want the age group label. Type an IF formula that checks the age and assigns a category. For example, if the age is less than 13, label it as child. If it's less than 20, label it as teen. If it's less than 65, label it as adult. Otherwise, label it as senior. Press enter and you'll see the correct age group appear. Drag this formula down to apply it to all rows. Here's how it works. Google Sheets first calculates the age, then evaluates conditions step by step to decide which group each person belongs to. This method is perfect for organizing data, planning events, or analyzing age-based groups without doing everything manually. And that's it. A simple way to turn raw birth dates into clear, organized age groups. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.